CES! Hey Alex, how are you feeling about CES so far?
Feeling good. CES, it's good to be back. It's been about 2 years that I'm back, so I like it.
Nice. What's been the most interesting thing you've seen so far?
I gotta say the LG booth.
We're heading towards the Thinkware booth right now, so let's go check out what they have in store. All right, so we're at North Hall where they're featuring vehicle technology. All right, guys, we found the Thinkware booth. Hey, I'm with Aiden. He's the digital marketer from Thinkware, and he's actually going to be telling us more about what's upcoming featuring the 4-channel dash cam from Thinkware.
Yeah, so we're excited to announce that we have the 4-channel dash cam. So it consists of 2 exterior cameras, 1 rear camera, and then the main unit itself. The main unit is a LCD unit, and you are able to change between the different channels just by touching on the channel. And a great feature that the 4-channel has compared to our previous cameras is actually the low latency. So you're able to use this as a backup camera or a blind spot monitoring system as well.
So these side cameras, they're installed externally, right?
Exactly, yeah. So the idea behind these side cameras, depending on the make and model of the vehicle, you can either have them in the edge of the front fender or underneath the rear view, the side mirrors as well. Yeah. And we have changed them to black versus when we showed them at SEMA a couple months ago, they were silver. So they're a bit easier to paint or color match as well.
Yeah. Nice. And you said this is a 1080p camera, right?
Correct, yeah. So it's 4 channels, and then all the channels are 1080p. Yeah. This is our blind spot monitoring system. This is meant for commercial vehicles. This doesn't do any recording. This is just strictly for blind spot monitoring. So this is the main unit, and everything hooks up to the main unit, and then we have the wireless receivers that are connected to these cameras here.
So the idea behind these is designed for truckers.
Exactly.
And they would install like another dash cam on top of these.
Yep. Exactly. Yep.
So I mean, they designed this Mercedes inspired by Avatar, the movie. So the wheels are circular, so it can move actually sideways, not just forward and backward, but also sideways. And then they have these gills in the back.
Look at this.
It's cool, and that they breathe, similar to like the world in Avatar. Well, I am selling my Mercedes. We're walking towards our business partner, BlackVue, who we sell a lot of dash cams for. Woo! I'm here today with Maria from BlackVue, who's going to be telling us more about the upcoming models that are coming out from BlackVue.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Maria from BlackVue Marketing, and I'm here to introduce our new products that are coming this year. Actually, we are aiming to release them in March of this year, but we'll see how it goes. So what you have here are the upgraded models from our S series. So 900S 2-channel is going to be 900X 2-channel, and 750S 2-channel is going to be X 2-channel. And what's the difference between that, between those two series is that those have this little module. So you can plug it in here with this USB port here. And basically what I would say it's kind of like this dedicated hotspot for your BlackVue dash cam. So you get a SIM card from carrier, you plug it in and you forget it. It's always connected to the cloud.
The Google booth! Look at that beautiful sunset. Only in Las Vegas. I think this guy's going diving for his phone. No way.